Good afternoon, my dear student. Today the same unit, operations and Venn diagrams. In operations and Venn diagrams, what are the operations, what are the laws, will be the formula, everything studied in the before classes. So now the term will be used to find the sums. So go for the exercise 2a. If a is equal to set 3, 4, 5 and b is equal to the set 5, 6, 7, 8, then find a union b, a intersection b and a minus b and b minus a, and also verify the following. So first of all, you find the first 4 terms. A union b is equal to, first of all you write the a set 3, 4, 5 union set b 5, 6, 7, 8. So A union B means already know that union of the set means both set will be belongs the element. So all the element will be right in the A union B. So you will start from 3, 4, 5. You continue the B set. 5 is already there, so you no need to write the 1 second 5. Only 1 5 you write. Afterwards 6, 7, 8. So the A union B value is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The next one, A intersection B. First you write the A set intersection B set is equal to, intersection means only the common is the intersection. So common for both set means only the 5 is common. So answer is 5. A minus B, this means difference of the set. First of all, A set minus means it's divided by, it's a slash, B set. So A minus B means you subtract the common term. The first term remaining is the answer. So the common is 5. You cancel the 5. The first set having 3, 4. So this is the answer. B minus A means first you write the B set bar the A set. The common term will be cancelled. The first set is the B means you write the B remains 6, 7, 8. A union B is equal to B union A. So you verify that, already know the A union B value. Now you find the B union A. B set union A set. Union means all the term will be right. So start from 5, 6, 7, 8. You continue the 3, 4, but already 5 is there. So no need to write another 5. So you will arrange the number in orderly 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You see the B union A and A union B both are same answer. Therefore hence verified. The next one, B sum A intersection B is equal to B intersection A. You verify. Already know the A intersection B value 5. Now you find the B intersection A. B set intersect A set. Intersection means only the common. So common is only the 5. So the two answer is same. So hence it's verified. The next one, C subdivision. A union A is equal to A. First of all you take the left hand side A union A. A set union same A set. That means union means all the number will be written. 3, 4, 5. Again it's repeated only. So no need to write the repeated number. Only 3, 4, 5. This is nothing but your A set. Therefore A union B is equal to A. So hence verified. The next one, D sum. A union of empty set is equal to A. So A set union empty means there is no number, no elements in the set. Only the empty set. So the union means both will be the answer. But this term having no answer. So 3, 4, 5 is the answer. This is nothing but your A value. So this left hand side is equal to right hand side, hence verified. E subdivision A intersection A is equal to A. Both having the same number. So common means the both having the 3, 4, 5 is the common. This is nothing but your A. So left hand side is equal to the right hand side, hence verified. The last one, F subdivision. A intersection of empty set is equal to empty. A term intersection empty term. So intersection means common. The both having the common means empty only, because the number is not there in second set. So the empty is the answer. So empty, this is nothing but left hand side is equal to right hand side, hence verified. So next sum, let U is equal to, that means universal set is given, P set is given, Q set is given, or the R set is given. Find the following. Let everything is I taken for given. First one, P dash, you find the value. P dash is nothing but in universal set you will subtract the P value. That means difference of universal set and P set means you get the answer. So first of all you write the universal set slash P set. So common will be cancelled first. So 5 is common, 6 is common, 7 is common, 9 is common, everything is cancelled. The first set remaining, that means universal set remaining is the answer. So 8, 10 is the answer. Next one, Q dash. Q dash is nothing but universal set minus Q. Universal set slash Q set. Common is cancelled. Common is 5, 6, 10. All are cancelled. So remaining of the universal set is 7, 8, 9 is the answer. R dash also the same, only U minus R. Universal set minus R set. The commons are cancelled. The remaining is the answer. The next one, P minus Q. Difference of P set and Q set. First you write the P set slash Q set. You cancel the common term. The remaining of the first term is the answer. So 7, 9. The 10 is not an answer because the different set means you cancel the common number. The first set is the remaining answer. Q union R. The union means first you write Q term, union R term. Union means all the number will be written. So 5, 6, already 5 is there. You orderly you write 9, 10. The next one, P intersection R. P set intersection R set. So common only you write. So common is 5, 9. So the answer is 5, 9. Seventh subdivision, P minus Q union R. That means P set union R set. So P set having union means all the number will be right. 5, 6, 9, 10. Then you will find the full answer P minus Q union R. Why I take the Q union R means first of all you give the preference for brackets. So bracket term I will find the answer. And P minus Q union R means P set minus Q union R, you have the answer. So that answer will write the subtraction. Common terms will be cancelled. The remaining answer is 7. The same for this. First of all you write the Q intersection R, you will find. So intersection is 5 only. P minus Q intersection R means P set minus intersection part. So both having the subtraction 5, 5 cancel. The remaining answer is 6, 7, 9. So this is today class children. So everyone learn this first, second sum. So learn every concepts and then I give the practice sum for you in next class children. So thank you children for watching the video.